Have you ever wondered? The top billionaires like Elon Musk, currently richest man in the world, Jeff Bezos, who owns Amazon, or Bill Gates, who is the founder of Microsoft. None of them put their money in the ordinary bank account to grow, unless it's their emergency fund. For generations, we've been conditioned to trust traditional banks with our money. The idea of a secure place to keep our savings felt like a no-brainer. But what if I told you that this very security could be holding us back from financial success? According to the FDIC, the national average interest rate on savings accounts stands at 0.42% APY, as of July 17, 2023. This applies to both average and jumbo deposits, which are accounts with a balance over $100,000. Meanwhile, the average inflation rate hovers around 1.88% in last 10 years, according to Forbes. Can you see the problem here? Your money is practically shrinking in the bank and essentially losing its value over time. Let's face the harsh truth, traditional banks are no longer the safe havens for growing your money. With interest rates hovering near zero, your savings barely keep up with inflation, leaving you with diminished purchasing power. It's time for a better solution. Hello money-minded viewers. Welcome to Moneytainment. Today, we have a game-changing topic that will revolutionize the way you think about growing your money. If you're tired of the lackluster returns from traditional banks, this video is your ultimate escape route. Get ready to break free from the bank trap with 5 powerful assets that will supercharge your wealth. Our first powerful asset is real estate investment. It offers both passive income and potential appreciation. With the increasing demand for housing, rental properties can generate a steady stream of cash flow, while the property's value appreciates over time. When you invest in real estate, you become a landlord, and your tenants pay you rent. This rental income can provide you with a reliable monthly cash flow, which can be reinvested or used to cover expenses. Additionally, real estate has a history of appreciating in value over the long term, which can significantly boost your wealth. The National Association of Real Estate Investment Trusts, NAREIT, which formed that same year, has been keeping track of historical return data for the REIT, which stands for Real Estate Investment Trust, sector since 1972. Here's a look at how this index has performed over the years versus the average stock market return measured using the S&P 500's total returns. As you can see, REITs have outperformed the S&P 500 over the past 20, 25, and 50-year periods. REITs also outperformed stocks in the most recent full year of available data in 2021. However, the overall data shows that REITs have outperformed stocks over the long term. And it's no wonder real estate is a favorite among savvy investors. Next on our list are high-growth stocks. Investing in carefully selected companies with strong growth prospects can yield impressive returns. The stock market has a proven track record of creating wealth for long-term investors. When you buy shares of a company's stock, you become a partial owner of that company. As the company grows and becomes more profitable, the value of your shares increases. Some companies, especially in the technology sector, experience rapid growth, leading to extraordinary returns for their shareholders. Just think about the meteoric rise of a certain tech giant. Early investors saw their initial investment multiply many times over as the company revolutionized the way we communicate and do business. That's the power of high-growth stocks. Over the past century, the average annual return of the S&P 500, a stock market index representing 500 of the largest US companies, has been around 10%. Imagine what compounding that kind of return can do for your money. Now, let's explore an alternative to traditional banking, peer-to-peer lending. By becoming a lender on P2P platforms, you can earn attractive interest rates by lending directly to individuals or small businesses. Peer-to-peer lending platforms act as intermediaries, connecting borrowers with lenders like yourself. You can choose which borrowers to lend to based on their creditworthiness and risk profile. As borrowers make their monthly payments, you receive both principal and interest, providing a consistent stream of income. Studies show that P2P lending platforms can offer returns ranging from 5% to 10% or even higher, depending on the risk level you're comfortable with. It's a win-win, helping others while growing your money. For those who dare to take on higher risk for higher reward, cryptocurrencies are a fascinating option. The likes of Bitcoin and Ethereum have captured the world's attention with their meteoric rise. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. They operate on a decentralized network known as blockchain, which makes them immune to government interference and inflation. The limited supply and growing demand have driven the prices of cryptocurrencies to astronomical heights. Between 2015 and 2023, Bitcoin's price surged from around $200 to over $60,000, a jaw-dropping 173,000% increase. But remember, with great potential comes great volatility. Only invest what you can afford to lose. In times of economic uncertainty, precious metals like gold have proven their worth as a safe haven. They offer protection against inflation and currency devaluation, making them a valuable hedge in your portfolio. Gold has been recognized as a store of value for thousands of years. It holds its worth over time, and during periods of economic turmoil, investors often flock to gold as a safe asset. During financial crises, like the 2008 recession, gold showcased its resilience. While stock markets were crashing, the price of gold soared, protecting investors' wealth. There you have it, 5 powerful assets to escape the bank trap and unlock the true potential of your money. Remember, a well-diversified portfolio is the key to financial success. So, take the time to educate yourself, seek professional advice if needed, and build a solid plan for your financial future. It's time to make your money work harder for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others.